This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Are you ready? What day is it today? Do you know? Today is Wednesday. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. You got it. What day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. That's right. Super good. And what month are we in? Do you see it? We're in the month of September. And it's the 30th today. It's the last day of September. Tomorrow is a new month. Okay, let's read the date together. Today is Wednesday, September. Whoops, let me move this over a little. There we go. September 30th, 2020. I was hiding behind the board. Did you see me? Okay, and how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And they're divided into how many groups? 2. That's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. How many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And when we put a consonant and a vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. Super good. Okay. And the vowels have how many sounds? Do you know? 2. That's right. The vowels have 2 sounds. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. What is the short sound? We mark it with a happy face. Super. Okay. Are you ready? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Here we go. Let me get them in order for a second. Hold on here. What happened to my order? What happened? They got out of order here. Okay, there they go. Okay, the name of this letter is A. It makes the sound ah, as in apple. A says ah, ah, ah. The name of this letter is E. It makes the sound eh, as in elephant. E says eh, eh, eh. The name of this letter is I. It makes the sound eh, eh, as in inchworm. I says eh, eh, eh. Good. The name of this letter is O. It makes the sound ah, as in ostrich. O says ah, ah, ah. The name of this letter is U. It makes the sound ah, as in umbrella. U says ah, ah, ah. Super good. Okay, now we're going to go to the farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. Okay, are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a cat. With an here and an there. Here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a hen. With an here and an there. Here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a pig. with an I here and an I there. Here and I, there and I, everywhere and I. Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a dog. With an here and an there. Here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a duck. With an here and an there. Here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. Whoa, we did it! Super good! I know you were singing with me and I'm so proud of you. Hee-haw! Okay, let me take off my hat. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We have our consonants that we've learned. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L, as in lamp. L says The name of this letter is B. It makes a sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says boo, boo, boo. Super! Those are the ones we've learned so far. Super good. And now we have the one that we're just learning. Do you remember what it is? Did you sing the song yesterday? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, the name of this letter is M. It makes it sound You have to put your lips together like the song said. As in milk. M says Now today, I want you to make me a little video of words that start with M in English. You can say them, you can show them to me and say them. You could draw some pictures and say them, whatever you want. Use your imagination, but I want to hear words that start with the letter M. And I want you to post it in the comments, okay? Super good. Okay, now we have our new blend. Who's this? It's Manny Monkey. Booga 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 boo. Booga 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 boo. Can you be a monkey? Booga 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 boo. So this is Manny Monkey. Ma, 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 ma. Super! Super duper duper duper. Okay, now I want you to look at this. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Ah. Ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. Ma. Super good. Okay, you ready for another one? Here we go. Ah. Ah. Super. Ready for another one? Here we go. Super. You ready for another one? Ah. Ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. Ma. Last one. Ah. Ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. Ma. Super good. Okay, now I'm going to bring our felt board over here, and I want you to pause me for a second, and I want you to go get your mobile alphabet, and you need to find the letter M, and you need to find the 5 vowels, okay? And then you can make the blends with me. Are you ready? Here we go. So pause me, go get them. Now we're starting. You have them. And make sure to do it with me. This is the letter M that makes a sound. Remember, we have to put our lips together. Ah. Ma. Can you say it? Read yours. Ma. One more time. Ma. Okay, now let's get the letter E that makes the sound eh. Let's put it together. Meh. Meh. You say it now. Did you say it? Meh. Okay, now let's get the letter I that makes the sound eh. Let's make our blend right here. Here we go. Meh. Meh. Now it's your turn. You did it! Very good. Okay, now let's get the letter O. Did you find it? It makes a sound ah. And you can take a video of this too if you'd like and show me. It's up to you. But the other one with the letter M, I really want. Okay. And ah. Ma. Ma. Super. Oh, but you didn't read it. Let me put it back on there. Teacher Christy, remember, your turn to read. Ma. Good job. Okay, last one. This is the letter U that makes the sound ah. So we're going to put them together. Ma. Ma. Your turn to read. Did you say it? Ma. Super. You guys are amazing readers. You're already starting to read blends. I had so much fun with you yesterday in our reading Zoom. You guys are all doing great. Okay. Here we go. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Here we go. Our blend. Notice the happy face. Here we go. Ta, te, tit, ta, ta. Okay, one more. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. La, la, le, la, la. Yes, you did it. Super good. Okay, so that is our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow.